हम कोरोना के समय भी एकजुटता से ऐसी चुनौतियों का सामना कर चुके हैं। अब हमें फिर से उसी तरह तैयार रहने की आवश्यकता है।
The crisis bond of the West Asia is highly impactful for Indian markets. This is about a complete changing structure of the economical growth for the future. But the government of India is already ready and planned for the visions and also the next generation sustainable solutions. Maybe we are heading towards another COVID-19 situations.
किसी के भी जीवन पर संकट मानवता के हित में नहीं है। इसलिए भारत का प्रयास सभी पक्षों को जल्द से जल्द शांतिपूर्ण समाधान के लिए प्रोत्साहित करने का है। इस युद्ध के कारण दुनिया में जो कठिन हालात बने हैं उनका प्रभाव लंबे समय तक बने रहने की आशंका है। इसलिए हमें तैयार रहना होगा, हमें एकजुट रहना होगा।
This is the time to create a bonding of 1.4 billion. This is the time to make a unity of community for 1.4 billion's future. This is about India's vision regarding the West Asia's crisis. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has cleared his vision towards the next future of India regarding to protect the sustainability, regarding to protect the energy resources, and regarding to protect the upcoming crisis. My research regarding the crisis of West Asia has started around 6 months ago when Iran and Israel was in conflict regarding supplement of the nuclear weapon productions. It was a crisis regarding the unusual development of uranium in Iran when Israel was highly conflict zones regarding what should be the next generation crisis for their own country. But the situation was that the Strait of Hormuz was the key issue of discussions because this is the actual line of communications and the bridge regarding supply of the natural gas, supply of fertilizer, supply of crude oil and supply of petroleum. This is the actual source of bonding around 20% of Indian oil supplement because we all know that the Iran has the power of the natural gas management and also the crude oil supplement. In the global geopolitics chapter, this is extremely in crisis scenario because we all know that we can't avoid the issues regarding at present of the Venezuela and also the simultaneously crisis of Iran. Iran has made their own identity of power building around of 2 decades and they have the power to supply regarding the natural gas management around the world and also the supply of the oils and also the crude oil and fertilizer. Thousands of ships around the world are already in the stopping situation in Strait of Hormuz. And many of crews already died in this crisis of Iran and Israel. But this is also creating a huge impact on stock market, also in the stock exchanges and also the global economical chapters.